Hello guys, Aoife is showing how to do decorated halwa and it's very easy.
Yeah, you just put some, what's it called?
Halwa?
Halowa, and then put it in the mold and then you made it. How you get it out again?
Yes. Well done. How many design in here, Aoife?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, Aoife now showing again how to do it. Mommy make a sound.
This time it's going to be square.
Okay. Mommy make a round shape.
And I squish.
And if I squish it, and is going one side is round and other side is square.
Hey, that's round. Or square.
Yes. Is it nice?
Yeah, but it doesn't.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah, but it doesn't smell very good.
It's lovely for it. Actually, you don't like it.
No, I don't like the smell.
Oh, really? Can you do again and show how to do it?
This time circle.
Okay.
How it's going to the middle. Hey, why Mom first? Oops.
Okay, do again. I don't mind.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't squeeze too much.
Okay. I didn't think there's a pattern. Okay.
Okay, I can do it again.
Yes.
Sometimes you can. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Well done. This looks so good.
You're the taker. I'm the squisher and you're the roller and you're the taking out thing.
Which one will be the next one, Aoife? Round or circle?
Square.
Oh,
But you said both.
sorry.
You did.
I told both is in a round and circle.
Yeah.
These are so funny.
Which one is square?
Yes. Lovely.
Why are you just doing that, Daddy? Let's cut it.
Do next one, Baba.
Okay, I know I'm talking to Daddy. Hey, it's circle this time.
It's fine. Because it's one side should be circle design and another side will be square one. So you can do it whatever you want.
Sorry.
Ta-da!
Enough?
Okay,
Little bit break crack.
fine.
Yep. No, yeah.
Before make this halwa, what you did? Did you wash your hand?
Yeah,
How will you wash your hand?
your way.
Did you use any soap? And did you dry your hand? It's very important, isn't it?
Hey. It's not good. This is it. Hey, go in middle for the circle. But my hands are wrong again.
No, don't mind. Mommy can change it.
Why I every time did that 2 times? That's impossible.
Even we can use it this part.
Okay. Look.
Oh wow, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, we nearly fill it. We need to fill with these.
Of course, you'll be do with all of this. You wanna eat yourself, or you like to send to some of your aunties?
I want to send to some of my aunties.
You want to send in Joel
Or-
uncle's home, or Shubhi auntie's home, or the
I
auntie's
want to
home?
send it to Rajin's.
Ooh, Sanjana will be very happy.
No, it's for Rajin.
Oh, only for Raji, not for Sanjana. Okay.
Yeah.
We can do parcel for Rajin's, right? Do you miss Rajin uncle?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. You wish to visit to them?
I already a long time ago.
What about Aggie?
We're just doing it only someday.
Okay. But this is not time to go visit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should be stay at home.
Yeah, and make something creative. And
It's not better than watch the TV.
yeah, it's even better than more things.
More things, yes.
We need to fill up right here. Okay.
Do you like to do some more decoration in all of Halwas? You want to put some things in the middle?
Yeah, have an umbrella on this.
Yes, we'll be do it after.
And how about they can be all the boats?
Okay. So now we can finish. Bye, everyone.
Oh, it's not finished. They have no more. Look, we did finish it.
Say bye, guys.
No, it's not finished yet.
It's almost finished.
Need to finish those spaces
Okay,
or it won't look good.
Okay, girl. Mommy doing very faster.
Don't do faster because I'm not done yet.
Oh, you need to do it faster as well.
But no, it is slowly.
Okay.
No, you can make this space. This, yeah, there. This
Only one more, yeah? Then done?
No, there's a lot of space here. I already did the circle one.
Ooh.
Oops, it's just not.
Okay. Did you manage yourself?
Yeah,
Okay. Or I can make it again.
okay. Aaron, we're not finished yet.
All done. So thank you to watching us.
Bye.